everybody. We're going to change the time and date on the DSC alarm panel today. Now you got to know the master code. If you know it, let's get started. You're going to hit *6, master code, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to hit a 1. Then we're going to put in the time military style, so 14:23. And then we're going to put in the date, 01/20/13, January 20th, 2013, and we're going to come out of programming, 1, 2, 3 pounds, and that's about it. And there's our new time and date about to come up. Y'all have a good day.